But that brings me to Maulana Kazmi. Maulana Kazmi, some of the activities that the PFI has been indulging in and has been found to be indulging in various raids recently in Nizamabad is training young Muslim youth to carry out terror attacks in the garb of physical training or karate classes, and in weapons training, in arms training. There was even a bomb factory, etc. Would you say that the PFI had indeed become a danger to the Muslim youth themselves in this country? And do you welcome the crackdown on the PFI?
Shivani, the safety and security of the country should be paramount for any true Indian. I am using word any true Indian. And we are among those who say the safety and security and country is first for us. So we welcome the raids. We also say that people who want to destabilize this country, they should be crushed and they should be booked. Harshest action should be taken against such elements. And being an Islamic scholar, from the very beginning, when these people coped the hands of a professor simply for setting up a paper against Islam, we are demanding the ban on this organization. But on the other hand, I also expect from my Hindu brothers, from my beloved Hindu religious people to come out against people of Dharam Sansad, who openly says for the genocide of the Muslim, to come out for the people who make sloganeering, ye kaate jayenge, ye kaate jayenge, Ram Ram chillaenge. And we are too in favor to punish people who say the Sartan Juda. But I also want from my beloved Hindu brother to come out, because without coming together against the hatred factories, against the people who want to destabilize my country, we will not be successful.
So कासमी जी, आपको नहीं लगता कि धर्म संसद की जो आपने बात करी, तो उनका जितना कॉन्डमनेशन होता है उतना ही पीएफआई का होता है? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उनका कॉन्डमनेशन नहीं होता?
No. बात ये है कि action should also be taken against all the elements who are here to destabilize the country.
लोगों को अरेस्ट किए, अंदर डाला है, उनके ऊपर केसेस चल रहे हैं.
ऐसा देखिए, ऐसा है, अब भी हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. हर रात दिन people are competing each other in communalization, in spreading hatred, in spreading hate speech.
Okay, but I get your point, and I take your point. The responsibility lies on both sides. But Maulana Kazmi, there is a difference between, elements in society creating disharmony and an organized factory, whose entire aim is to spread terror by committing murders in daylight. ये PFI टाइप का जो मॉडल है ना, वो मार्केट्स में जाके लोगों का कत्ल कर रहे थे with the sole intention of creating terror in society. Bomb training, weapons training, पूरा कार्डर ये लोग कर रहे थे. So that's a different level of radicalization. That's waging war against the country. Spreading hatred among sections is of course a different kind of crime, and I'm not diminishing it. But I'm saying let's not compare it to what the PFI is accused of.
Shivani ji, we say we have to protect this country at any cost. At any condition, we have to protect our country, our nation, the people of our nation, the beloved people of this great nation. So, मेरा कहना ये है, PFI पे आपने एक्शन लिया, लीजिए, पहले इन पे लीजिए. But और दूसरे सेक्शन के लोगों को पर भी आपको you have to tighten screw of such elements among other communities.
Can I just invite Tushar Gupta to respond to that? What Maulana Kazmi is saying, that it cannot be action on one side alone. Hatred is flowing from the other side too.
Shivani, this is what happens, every time, and I remember from the last 1 year, a debate has happened on PFI. Suddenly, everyone is interested on the hatred on the other side, on other issues of economic importance. Why can't people acknowledge that within us, within this country, not even an external threat, within this country, there is an entire organization, very well oiled, that is willing to take down the country itself, that is willing to take down the state. It's not even political anymore. They want to take down the entire state machinery. Yet the people do not want to call out the PFI for what it is. Anurag Bhadoria ji here wants to say, I cannot call out the PFI alone. Maulana ji here says, I cannot call out the PFI alone without calling out the hater on the other side. He wants to talk about the other side.
We condemn PFI and we welcome the government action against PFI. We welcome
I
the
think Maulana
government
Kazmi
action
is being more
against the
categorical than
PFI.
Anurag Bhadoria. Let's give him that much
but
credit.
Shivani, we are always told that there is this other side.
Yeah, I
Other
know.
side.
There is this balancing that needs to be done, which I find a little problematic because I don't think there is any Hindu organization which is at the level of what the PFI was or what it is accused of. Tomorrow, if there is a group of individuals who are accused of training arms, bombs, weapons, waging war against the country, involved in hackings, killings, terror, inducing incidents, then all for it. I don't think there is a parallel organization like this. And let's not forget that PFI comes from Simi. It hasn't really just erupted because of recent hate in 2014. So that political argument also doesn't stand here. Anurag Bhadoria, I have 20 seconds for you.
मैं बोलूं, मुझे लगता है शिवानी जी आप परेशान हैं। सबने बोला कि पीएफआई के ऊपर एक्शन होना चाहिए, इसीलिए आप बोल रही हैं। नहीं, ये लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं। आप क्यों परेशान हैं? सबने बोला पीएफआई पे एक्शन होना चाहिए, इस पे बैन होना चाहिए। फिर सरकार क्या कर रही थी? ये फंडिंग आ रही है, सरकार को पता नहीं चलता। इंटरनेशनल फंडिंग आ रही है, सरकार न्यूज बनाने के लिए है। ये इस तरह की एक्टिविटी हो रही है, सरकार को पता ही नहीं चलता। सरकार को पता चलता है 5-6 साल बाद। फिर सरकार क्या करती है? किस लिए है? आपके इंटेलिजेंस डिपार्टमेंट क्या करता है?
केस बनाने में थोड़ा बहुत टाइम लग जाता है।
सरकार को पता चलता है। इसके मतलब सरकार निकम्मी है। सरकार निकम्मी है, सरकार करना नहीं चाहती। सरकार को ये एक्टिविटीज होने के पहले ही पकड़ना चाहिए था, लेकिन जब सारी एक्टिविटीज हो जाती हैं फिर सरकार आती है। इसके मतलब ये जो बीजेपी की सरकार है ये निकम्मी है, ये कुछ नहीं कर सकती है। इस तरह के जो लोग हैं उनको मुझे लगता है बीजेपी की सरकार ही पनाह देती है कि आओ आओ आओ, जब कुछ हो जाएगा फिर हम आएंगे न्यूज बनाने के लिए।
अनुराग
ये बीजेपी की